So you've bought a tool and summertime you're just wailing away on these pallets or deck boards or subfloors and it's sinking every time. Every time. Come winter time, you need just a little bit more power because either A, the lines are kind of clogged, or B, the wood's too hard. And we had this situation a couple years ago, and a pallet company was having just a devil of a time with their PN90s in the wintertime. So we said, let's try a booster. Basically what a booster is an extra piece of aluminum that you attach to the back of the tool, and it gives you a little bit more air volume on top of that piston to give it a little bit better drive. The booster that we tried at the pallet company in Pennsylvania, they were using a PN90, and up until about November, the nails sank every time, a 3-inch coil screw nail. Once we got into wintertime, they had some issues. We tried the Everwin 106941 booster on the PN90s, and it gave them an extra oomph so they could sink those nails in the wintertime. It's not that much more uncomfortable. It's back on the handle, in the back of the tool, and it gives you just that extra little oomph so you don't have to pull out that hammer to knock those nails down. On the PN70 PN80s, the part number will be a 100-228. It'll give you that extra drive, get your job done.